Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my 2019 winter foundation routine. Well, it's kind of 2018-2019 winter foundation routine. I've actually been using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, which I recently did a foundation review and demo on, so I will have that in the cards above and down in the description box below, so go check that out. But I wanted to just update you guys on my foundation routine and show you guys what I've been doing lately and what I've been using. So if you guys want to see this, then please keep watching. So I just got a brand new bottle of the Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot Instant Perfecting Primer. I love, love, love this primer. So I hope you guys had a great new year. I didn't do much. We just had some friends over and that was pretty much it. So this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I am in the shade Cocoa. Brush to apply this. I don't need a whole lot of this foundation. It's pretty full coverage and of course it's really mattifying. If you guys saw my foundation review in Zemo, it's really mattifying. So I don't try not to use a whole lot of it because it's so drying and it is the winter time, so skin tends to be a little bit more drier in the winter time, so I don't use a whole lot. This was the only foundation that I brought with me on my recent trip to LA, and this is the only thing I wore every single day. I've been buying everything else at the end of the year, but I really have not been buying a whole lot of foundation or just like re-upping on like my products. Like I haven't really been keeping up with it because I've just been putting it on my face every morning. It's just been like such a habitual like thing that sometimes I forget that I'm like running out of this. Like, I'm running out of these products, Tiana, you gotta get some more. So that's pretty much all I've been doing lately. Like, that's all the coverage I've been doing. And you can see I don't have a whole lot on my forehead. I don't like a whole lot of foundation on my forehead most of the time. And any places that are kind of peeking through, I usually use my concealer to cover up with that. Concealer that I have been loving, loving, loving since about October of last year. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It is so bomb. Like, I'm about to go purchase another one even though this one's not even done yet. So I've been bringing this all the way down almost to the corner of my lip area, and I can go a little bit heavier with this because like I said, I didn't do a whole lot of foundation. And then I also like this because it's more on the radiant side. Most concealers I don't usually go this heavy and bringing it down this far with my concealer because they tend to be a little bit more on the drying side. So with this one, I feel like I can do a lot more. And I also find that this has been helping with my smile line. I was having a rough time there for a little bit, like finding out and trying to figure out what would help with my smile lines. I was getting some pretty significant creasing, but ever since I've been doing the concealer method, bringing it all the way down, that's really been helping with that creasing lately. And recently I picked up this Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. You guys know I was using the regular translucent powder and I'm kind of on the fence a little bit about it because I actually kind of like the regular translucent powder a little bit better than this. I kind of like the way the coverage looks with the regular white powder. So I don't know, I think I'm going to go back to the white powder. That's why I got this one in the mini travel size version, because you guys know I was trying out the other one just to see if I would even like it, and I loved it. And then I got this one, but I also got it in the mini because I was like, I'm not about to buy this full size and I don't like it. So, but recently what I've been doing is of course setting my under eyes with this. I just feel like maybe because it's the same shade or the right shade, it doesn't give that highlighted look. I think that's what it is. It's not giving me enough like highlights that I like. And then just a little on my lids, because most of the time when I do this foundation routine, I don't apply eyeshadow. because this is like the foundation routine that I do for like work or just every day. So of course, taking my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, I'm taking the contour shade and my e.l.f. contour brush, and I'm just gonna lightly kind of bronze a little bit. I don't need a whole lot of bronzing on my cheek area because I kind of have like a little natural contour going on there, but just to enhance it a little bit. And then I'm just going to dust off the Laura Mercier powder. I'm using a clean brush to do this. I used to do this with like powder, like extra powder, but I just find that that was just making my face a little too cakey for my liking, so I do it with usually a clean brush or no added powder on the brush now. I'm going to go in and just warm up my skin just a little bit more, and I'm using my Sonia Kashuk contour brush. Really bringing the color back to my skin. Don't want like pale looking skin. So after that's done, I move on to highlighter, and I have been loving my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting bar. This is in the shade Fire. This is the highlighter that I've been using probably in all of the past videos that you guys have been seeing. I have not been using anything else, so why switch up? It's just like a very champagne highlight. It's kind of what I've been feeling for the winter time. In the summertime, I like more of like a rose gold or a bronzy highlight, but in the winter, I think I like more of a champagne highlight. The bridge of my nose, whatever's left, I kind of go over my brows and underneath my brow bone area as well, just to give a little bit of highlights, but more so of like a natural glow highlight instead of like a bam in your face summertime highlight. So that's pretty much it for my foundation routine. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my eye makeup today, and then I'll come back and end the video. Okay guys, so this is the finished face. This is my winter foundation routine. Like I said, don't really do a whole lot. I actually have toned it back a little bit on the foundation just because it is a little bit more drying, and we are in the cooler months, but in a few months we're getting ready to change that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments below if there's any new products for 2019 that you are planning out trying. I heard that Fenty is coming out with a concealer, so I am really stoked to try that, because you guys know I love the Fenty foundation, so I cannot wait to try that concealer. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please thumbs up this video, and please subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.